she want flaws like me. Never took about the cost like me. Live lavish and call the shots like me. Then fuck with a young boss like me.
Remember in episode 1 when I told you guys I lost my key? I thought my dog ate it. This is her. Come here. Yep. This is the little gremlin that I thought that ate my keys. Alright? Anyway, I got a little package for the hoopty. We about to dress her up. I've been waiting for this. This thing took 21 days for it to get made. Oh! Almost stepped on my dog. Yo! Mom, hoping you didn't see that. So this is a little update on the V-dub though. I haven't drove it in a little bit. As you can see, the rotors are all rusted up. I'll be starting every once in a while. But actually the brake calipers in the back, they actually seized on me. So I had to replace the calipers and I went ahead and changed the rotors at the same time. So I did the one side because then I had to go to work. But then it started raining and I haven't really got a chance to go ahead and do the other side. Because the weather hasn't been so friendly. Oh yeah, and it needs a CV axle because when I be driving I can hear it. So I might jack this up later and see how bad it really is. So Cody was like mad that I showed Maya and not him. So this is Cody. Alright, get down. I'm trying to show these people what I'm working with. Oh my god. If you know what street arrow is, then you know that this is a fucking diffuser. Well, it could be side skirt too. So alright, it could be a side skirt. Who knows? But look who decided to show up.
Yeah, figured I'd help him install it, you know?
Yeah. I need to get a new sticker because this is a sticker, right? And then we got the vinyl over here. So I really need to get this situated. If you want a sticker or a decal, leave a comment down below. Hey, see when it comes to popcorn, whatever this is called, that's how you know it's legit. Cause who doesn't like white cheddar popcorn? And it came with stickers. What? Oh, that's awkward. What the fuck? I mean, what the freak? Alright, so it's literally all popcorn, this, and a whole bunch of bags. No diffuser.
Unreal.
Yo, I'm shook. Just get a nigga right here. Putting 9 pieces. Bam, street arrow. Look at that. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Which was this shit is probably gonna go great. Like so. You guys will see it. Alright, so this is like the general like idea of what it's gonna look like. Time to finesse. Are you ready to finesse? Kind of like a little, like what it looks like now. These aren't screwed in. Once they go, they'll be, you know, bam. And this, bam. And here. Yeah, I didn't even take into I didn't even think about it going on top. You know what I'm saying? I thought it went on the bottom.
I thought it would have went on the bottom.
That's what I'm saying. I might do it on the bottom, just for now, cause this looks weird.
Yeah, on the bottom.
It looks more like it lines up better. That's probably why he had that awkward gap.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright. Even what you're saying with his newer bumper, like it comes down and stops right here, like perfectly.
So bam, and then that other piece will go like bam. gonna be a good boy. But yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy. I mean, I adjusted these because these are for a 2015 Nismo back bumper. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was right here, but I just moved it over and made my own holes. Yeah, this is a Finesse right here, because this is not for this bumper. This is just a Finesse. But I eventually plan on getting the 2015 Nismo bumper, and then I'll just move it back over to where it's supposed to be. But yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. So like, remember, this doesn't belong on this car, you know what I mean? But I'm trying to like fabricate it so it looks nice. All right, so what I'm thinking right now is, all right, the only two screws showing really right now are these two, and it makes it look like, you know, like rainbow effect kind of right there. So I'm thinking about doing tomorrow, stopping at like a hardware store, fucking, and getting bolts. What would they be called? Like nuts or like
bolts, fucking flathead bolts, anything to drop through and make it look flush. Just nice and even, help hold the fins on.
So like basically it won't be screwed on to the car, it'll just be holding these fins on, so it'll be straight, you know what I mean? So basically it'll only be bolted on there, here, and at the end, and right here there will be no screws, so this way it gives it straight. So like I'm getting bolts with like sort of like this. It's kind of like concept. How it's a screw and then like a nut on this side. Same thing, screw and nut, black preferably. So this way it's just holding on the fins but not screwed into the car. And then when I get the 2015 bumper, it'll all sit like even. But as of right now, man, this actually not bad. And then just gotta add the two things on the sides and bam, Finesse. It's cold out, my nose is running. Alright, put that out again. A little bit more out, a little bit more poke, and then, yeah. What do you guys think? Too aggressive back here? I don't know. Ow. Alright, shine right here. So this is kind of what we went with. Like I said, I'm gonna do that with those bolts tomorrow. Right now, I'm trying to secure this. Let's see what this looks like. Like I said, this should bolts in the middle, but stop at Lowe's or something and get sort of like the same concept as, where'd that go? Same concept as this, but smaller. So this way, it's like literally just the width of this pretty much. I'm not even gonna worry about screwing into the bumper or let it sit like that. Cause like I said, this ain't even for this bumper. Yeah, I don't know what kind of Aston Martin it is.
Feel like it's nice, sexy. It's a nice car.
Was that a license plate on that, or was it a rental? See, it idles nice. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It idles nice, but when you drive, it's kind of quiet.
It's probably sport mode and fucking makes it sound crazy.
You're just driving around.
Yeah.
Up quarantine.
Wasting gas.
Probably burns a lot of gas in that too.
Yeah. Alright, time to do this side. Just like that side. That and 2 screws right now. Alright, I'm gonna hold you guys.
Damn.
Damn! Look how close that was to hitting his finger. You know what's crazy? I low-key like the way that one looks on the right.
On the right?
Yeah, I feel like it looks more aggressive.
It's not bad, yeah. I mean,
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you could roll with it. I mean,
I like that one. I say we leave it like that one.
either way, I don't think you go wrong with either how you mount them. It's just
I like that one. The only difference is we have to bring this one out, which is just a matter of unloosening some screws.
it doesn't
Not.
matter. Just like taking the head screw or both out, turning it a bit.
All right, let's get that one bolted up. It's getting cold out here, guys. Coronavirus. Curfew's at 8. I think it's 8. All right, I'm gonna get this bolted up real quick and then wrap it up and show you the finished product. And of course, it got dark, but you guys really can't see it. There's a flash, but I'll get some better footage for you guys tomorrow. This is kind of what it looks like. Yeah, I'll get you guys better footage because I want to get you guys footage like and show you what it looks like with these things not in when it's straight, because then it'll look clean. So stay tuned.
Never let a hard time humble us.
All right, bro. So now that it's the next day, this is what it looks like now. I just stopped in Lowe's, bam, to get those washers. Like I said, this is what I was talking about. You know what I mean? So now it's not longer into the car. I try getting this a little plastic out, but I can't. But now it's not screwed into the car. It's just, you know, holding these fins on. So now it looks a little bit more straight. I mean, it was bent for like quite a while, so like this is still like getting back into shape. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. To be honest, I don't even know if you can see this because it's fucking the lighting. But I like it, man. This is nice. It's clean. It makes the car's ass stand out. Like I be walking away from it like looking back at it like, damn, nice ass. No, but I did run into a dilemma. So I'm probably gonna run back in Lowe's and try to find a plate for this, like an aluminum plate. I'm probably gonna need to like put epoxy on this because, you know, my car shoots flames and shit. So it burnt the plastic. Now you see what I'm talking about now? So I'm gonna get like aluminum or something and just slap it in here, maybe spray paint it black for the meantime. But yeah, I'm thinking about putting epoxy on this and just like sanding it down, making it back to normal. Same thing on this side. But other than that, yo, this shit is official. Yo, don't mind my sticker. Just, you know what I mean? I need a new one. But I know I said this before, but if you want a vinyl, a decal, sticker, anything, just leave a comment down below because actually one of my boys, he knows how to do that shit. I mean, you know what I mean? Said he did this. I know I told you guys already. Also, if you want to support my cousin's fiance, they were supposed to get married, but the coronavirus made the wedding get postponed. But this is his clothing line. I think if you go back an episode, I was wearing a hoodie that was actually from him. But yeah, man, this shit looks so good. Just wanna slap it. But that's it, y'all. So stay tuned, man. I'm probably gonna do something else. You know what I mean? Quarantine. We're gonna be bored. Coming up with new ideas. So actually, yeah, I got something coming. I got something coming for the exterior, and then we're gonna get into the interior. All right. We already know the deal. Catch you guys in the next video.
As the champagne spill and the car accelerate and the beat gon' cry. I'll be going to the bank at least 3-4 times.